No problem. Let's go.
Hi, we're here. Monkey Forest. Wow. Dami ng koi fish. May ano, may view. Oh, yun o. Nangunguha siya ng ano, bote. Bakit ang komodo?
Ay, kala ko totoo.
Naku, wag sana tayo maagawan ng camera.
Tapos mo.
Ito na nga, nakalabas na eh. Oh, nagbibideo na nga ako eh. You gotta be careful.
Magkano kaya? Sunday. Ano ngayon? Friday?
Yeah, it's Friday.
Hello. Good afternoon. For two, do you accept card? Yes. Credit card?
Less than 1,000 pesos. Entrance. Thank
Thank you.
you. We gotta read the guidelines before we enter. Digital map. Scan.
It's like an application actually, yeah, the map will be inside it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that one. We have like a GPS and also the audio guide on it, so you'll know what you want inside the forest. And this app is for the whole of Bali as well, not only for here.
Oh, thank you.
Terima
Thank you.
kasih.
Thank you very much.
Wait lang, babe. Before we enter, wait. Hold on. Gotta change battery.
Ay, itsura ng Jebsen. Ay, itsura ng Jebsen. Mama ng Jebsen.
Lamig dito. Sarap. Ang cute.
Harangan mo, no?
Uy, Jabu. Jabu.
Ay, kilay siya. Kilay siya.
Kita.
Ay, kilay siya. Kilay siya.
Kita ko.
Ay, nagulungan yung paa niya. Hello.
May nag-enjoy na bata.
Oh, dito. Oh shit.